rocking this hair right now. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If it's your very first time here, welcome. My name is Yolani Mpehlo, but I go by the name of Queen Yolani on all my socials. If you haven't subscribed, just click that subscribe button so you can join the Lani squad. And to all my Lani squad, what it do, baby. Anyways guys, on today's video I want to show you how to wear a synthetic wig. We all know how synthetic wigs are when it comes to the line, and it looks like it's folded inside. So I want to show you guys how to fix that. Let me show you my units that I'm going to use today so you can get some inspiration. Maybe you do have synthetic wigs that you don't want to wear anymore because of that plastic line. I am here to help you with that line. Anyways, here's my hair. It might look shiny on the camera, but it has that do you remember ebony, what is it, bonding? They used to call it bonding, né? Ebony. So it has that texture and it has that look to it. Okay, it's not as shiny as the normal wigs that we are used to. It kind of has, let me just try to show you guys the texture. It has this texture, so it's really nice. I like it. I like the color, but my problem is this, obviously this. So now we are trying to fix this one, so that it looks like maybe a 4x4 wig. That's what we are trying to do today. Okay, this wig is, the name is Lovely Lady. Lovely Lady, in the color F something, EF404Y, in the color 4. So the style is the EF404. I got this. My mom used to sell synthetic wigs for the longest time, so she still has wigs that she's selling to the regular clients, because her store closed down before lockdown. Not before lockdown, during lockdown. So she still sells there and there, but I've taken over the synthetic wigs business of hers. I'm gonna link my new page. I haven't posted anything. I'm about to post. I think I'm gonna start posting tomorrow. This is the page that you can follow on Instagram, so you can see everything that I'm selling. Very cheap wigs, guys, very reasonable, and it's quality. And this wig you can straighten it. So if you wanted to bend a bit, if you want, I don't know, but me not, this wig is giving, guys. This wig is giving. So let me show you guys when I wear it. I have a mirror that side, so I'm gonna keep looking there just to see myself. I really love this wig, guys. So this is how it sits. I'm gonna remove this tag because it's disturbing me. I kept it there so I can show you guys what wig it is. This is the wig. Really love it, really love it, but my problem is this. Like, what must hate me? So that is what we're gonna do today. We're gonna try to make it look like some butter. Where's my comb? I forgot my comb. Anyways, let us do this so I can show you guys how to fix it. Then yeah, let's head over this side so I can show you on the mannequin. So this is basically how it looks in front, exactly how it looks when I wear it. What you're gonna need for this process is a razor and scissors. Any razor, any scissor. Excuse my dirty scissors, because guys, I do a lot with that scissor. The first step is we're gonna cut off the wig cap. Excuse me, I don't know what that is, but let us remove it. We're gonna cut off the wig cap. So the wig cap is really attached to that plastic thing inside, because that's how they managed to make it look like it's under the wig, if you know what I mean. So we're gonna cut it off, and then yeah, please watch each and every step because it's quite clear. I'm just gonna keep quiet and let you guys watch. So basically what we're gonna do now is remove the hair that was under the wig. All you need to do is select a small portion of that hair and just pull it out. That's all. You just pull it out. It's so easy to pull it out because it's attached to that plastic thing. So small portion, and then pull it out. Just like that. It's easy. It's easy. That's what I'm gonna do until I am satisfied that the entire hair is out. So guys, this is the hair now. This is the part that I removed from the bottom of the hair. So now we're just gonna cut it off, because now it looks like a lace. So let me just quickly look at myself in the mirror. I don't think I cut it right. So guys, this is the hair. I just needed to cut off a piece here that was hanging out, and I bought a mirror. This is the amount. You can't even tell because it only came out from here. Okay, so I don't know if I want those small baby hairs. Maybe I don't. I doubt I am, because it's gonna look tacky. Okay, let us fight for this baby hair thing. Let me use scissors. Very tiny. Let me use scissors because when I use the razor I pull. This step is not important, guys. It's not important. This step is for me to secure the wig because I don't trust it. I'm gonna do anything dramatic, guys. Don't matter. I'm sure he's sitting there like, girl, bye. Baby hair for once. I want it to stay, like to chill. See how tiny this baby hair is. Because there's a purpose for it. Don't want the hair to move. So basically, guys, this is the hair now. But one more step, I'm gonna put this on this line here, because obviously it's white and it looks plastic. So this is the foundation I used on my face currently. I really want this part to sleep in, but it's not noticeable. Yeah, let's see. A little bit there. I tried to make this part sleep. I wonder what's making it bumpy. Okay, let me comb it. in this stage. I like how flat this hair is. It's so flat. Basically, this is how it looks. It looks way better than before. So what do you think, guys? If you like what I did, please give this video a thumbs up so you can let other people see this video as well. On my opinion, I'm definitely gonna go out with this hair. I'm definitely gonna go out with this hair because it doesn't shred much. It only shred because I was cutting off some hair this side. But all in all, when I'm combing it like on a normal basis, it's not doing anything. So I'm happy. Let me enhance my lip gloss. Maybe I'll film myself. Alright. If I had somewhere to go today, honey, I would be rocking this hair right now. Anyways, guys, this is the end of this video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And also, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please click that subscribe button so you can join the Yolani squad. And to all the Yolani squad, thank you so much for returning. I will see you guys on my next video. But for now, peace and love. Bye.